Hey y'all, hey, it's Brittany718. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see videos from me. All right, folks, so this video is brought to you by us being stuck at home. Several people have reached out to me and asked me what tips or what do I think they should do in this social distancing time while we may not be able to get our hair retightened or twisted. What could we do? So I just have a couple of tips, nothing too crazy, so let's just jump right on into it. First things first, be calm. I know it's kind of hard not to be, but try to be calm, especially during these circumstances. We don't need any more stress added to our hair and our body. Second tip, talk to your loctician, especially if you're a newbie in this whole lock game. Keep in constant communication. Well, not constant, don't like bother them, but at least talk to your loctician and see what they suggest as to what you should do, especially if you're in the beginning stages of having sister locks. I would also suggest, if you are a newbie, to make sure you're continuing to braid and band your hair. This way, you're making sure and keep up with that when you do wash your hair. Okay? Now, this brings me to my third tip. When it comes to washing your hair, if and when you are washing your hair during this period, please be sure to separate the base of your locks, like separate it gently. Be careful. Don't be too harsh on it, and making sure that your base is not joining or your roots are not joining. So take your time, separate them, part your hair, separate it, so this way you don't have any joining of the roots, okay? Oh, also, if you aren't able to wash your hair for whatever reason, you can always try like a mild astringent or even a dry shampoo. I don't know if any beauty supply stores are still open during this time, but I mean, I do have some dry shampoo from Organic Root Stimulator. That also works too, that you can use to cleanse your scalp in the meantime. Just don't use a white rag or anything when you're cleaning your scalp, because that can leave, I was gonna say dust in your hair, but lint in your hair, and we don't want that either, okay? My fourth tip, try protective styling if you can. Definitely do some braid outs, pipe cleaners that can also help too, but something that can keep your hands out of your hair if you are able to do so. A lot of the times I just wear my hair pineappled up and I just keep it wrapped up while I'm home, and that's what I have been doing. I may put some pipe cleaners in there pretty soon, because I do want to try it out, especially now, and see how long I can keep the pipe cleaners in. But yeah, definitely try some protective styles just to give your hair a little bit of rest. My fifth tip is mostly for my traditional lock people. If you don't if you don't retwist your hair yourself, just gently, retwist your hair yourself. Try not to be too tight. Try not to use an abundance of product. You don't want too much tension on your hair in the meantime. But if you can retwist your hair yourself, by all means, do so. But just take it easy when you do it, okay? And my last tip, which I think is my sixth tip, just try to remain calm. Continue to drink your water. Eat your vitamins. Well, yeah, eat your vitamins, or take your vitamins, eat your vegetables, do what you can. Don't be like me. I've been eating all the snacks in the world, but definitely just try to keep your immune system up. Take as much of your vitamins as you can. Stay healthy, stay positive, and stay strong out there, because we know it's rough, and some people may have it worse off than others, but let's just all, take it one day at a time and just hope for the best and hope we all recover pretty soon. So yeah, guys, if you're not following me already on Instagram, please do so. I'm on Instagram all the time. So follow me on Instagram. My name is down there or here. It's on the screen somewhere, and the link is also below as well. Thumbs up the video, share the video, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Tell your mama and them I said to subscribe. Be gentle with yourself and be gentle with your hair. Talk to y'all soon. Later.